The most personal and painful of all has been the passing of my beloved wife, Pat. She was the greatest woman I have ever known. A perfect wife and mother, to say nothing of her purity, her gift of expression, her spirituality. She gave a talk once titled, "Fulfilling the Measure of Your Creation." It seems to me that she fulfilled the measure of her creation more successfully than anyone could have dreamed possible. She was a complete daughter of God, an exemplary woman of Christ. I was the most fortunate of men to spend 60 years of my life with her. Should I prove worthy, our ceiling means I can spend eternity with her.